Rome is asking back. Okay, let's see if this works. Because I haven't shared my screen in Rome in a while. All right, let's see here. So I've been up on the side for a little bit doing some kind of planning work and kind of thinking through sort of how we might actually make the Python in Omni work. So I'm just gonna hit let this go. It might take a little bit, so I figured I'd just let it get started. I have nothing on the side if I wanted to actually see what it's doing. But first, like the standard sort of like Bobby's gonna go do its thing and run some queries. It based off the prompt, it found something reasonable. Um, Says run Python. Interesting. You can see it did some Python and it's running it. We're sort of trying to figure out the. Looks like it actually just failed that time around. So there's also some hiccups here that we're trying to work through. Um, Primarily, the interesting bit here is running the world. You can see this actually ran. It produced some Python results. It's going to use that to do some analysis. We have to figure out how to hook it up into sort of the rest of our ecosystem in a reasonably, we'll call it safe way, so that there's no data exfiltration possibilities or anything like that. But there's definitely some pretty cool possibilities here. Um, Definitely shout out to Dan, who's been doing a lot of thinking there. And I just sort of ran with some of the things that he was playing with, trying to dig in a little bit into sort of how he was thinking about deploying it, which was very different from how we were originally thinking about deploying it back when we started to play with this back in hacking in Cabo. Um, but you can see here, I've got another long one that ran. It did a lot of Python steps, interesting stuff going on, printing out. This I think was a routine actually. So there's an interesting bit hooking it up to routines. It has to work a little bit differently. We also toyed with some other ideas around running the Python in the browser rather than running in the server. So there's some interesting opportunities here just to sort of make something possible. So, lots more to come. This is very much a hack. So unfortunately, it'll probably be a little bit before anything becomes live, but definitely thinking in this space.
What are the constraints that are going to be introduced as we sort of sandbox it or make it secure? Like,
I mean,
like library.
probably to start limited libraries, especially limited network access. There will be opportunities for someone to want to be able to say, like, cool, I'm going to go pull data coming from Kaggle and pull that into my Python stuff. And like we'll have to be really careful with that, with how data comes in and out of the system. There's probably some opportunities to make it do some of those things, but we have to be really careful. So um, again, like a lot more to come, a lot of thinking in this space, but we wanted to make sure that there's isolated execution environments so that it's all is good in that way. And we're just kind of playing with some of these ideas, so it's probably going to take a little bit before we get there. But we want it to feel native first class, as in all the rest of the stuff, and potentially allow it to work in other environments as well.
Awesome. Love it.